It's buy one, get one time here at Parham Heating, Cooling, Plumbing, and Electric. That means now, throughout the month of February, you'll get a free water heater installed when you replace your current heating and cooling system. That's right, a new water heater, absolutely free. Our highly skilled and knowledgeable technicians are standing by to give your home's comfort system the upgrade it deserves. So don't wait. Call and schedule an appointment today. You'll be glad you did. Parham, the most trusted name in heating, cooling, plumbing, and electric.